So adding to this is the hot water and 3 tablespoons more. Then we'll let this sit for half an hour. Then I'm going to put it in the Cuisinart. And after this is creamed in the Cuisinart, we'll put it on a baking sheet or parchment paper. Sprinkle a little caraway seeds on it, or rosemary, or some poppy seeds, and we'll bake it. So the half hour's up, and now we're going to put everything into this Cuisinart. And run this until everything looks smooth. I want every seed out of there. Okay. Sometimes I forget how to put this on. So I won't bore you by watching this, but I'm going to run it until it gets smooth. This has been running for a good 5 minutes. And look at that. That's kind of pasty. And you can only see little bumps in there from the seeds. Now we're going to transfer this onto a baking sheet. If you have parchment paper, or if you have what I am using is the cooking mat from France, I'm going to spread that out smoothly. That's a 12 by 18 pan, and that's everything. And now we're going to go in the oven for 20 minutes and then check it. So this is how it is when it came out. You have a little bit over here, which is very crunchy, because it was a little thin. And the rest of it over here, as you can see, is a little chewy, which is good. Now, you can use this as a pizza. Put your topping on it, put it back in the oven for a few minutes, because it's still a little bit of a chew, so you won't damage it. And if you want this to come out really crispy, leave it in there another 5-6 minutes. And don't forget to grease the parchment paper or whatever you're using to put this on, because there's no fat in here like if you were making cookies or bread. It's different. It's we're not using a wheat flour. So try it out. You might enjoy it.